Hi, this is Rekha Kakkar. Welcome to Easy Cooking. Many a times I have been asked this question, how to cook quinoa in Indian dishes. People often seem to think that quinoa can be used in only continental dishes like patties, salads, or maybe some exotic dishes. But you can very well use quinoa in place of rice, and quinoa can be used in many Indian dishes. One such dish is quinoa pulao. So today I am making quinoa pulao. Let's start cooking. For making quinoa pulao, first of all take about a tablespoon of oil, add about teaspoon of cumin. When cumin starts to splutter, add about 3 tablespoons of chopped onion. Also add quarter a cup of peas, quarter a cup of French beans, quarter a cup of red carrots, about 2 tablespoons of yellow bell peppers, and quarter a cup of corn. I have used canned corn. You can use fresh as well. We'll quickly saute all these vegetables and then we'll add our quinoa to it. Mostly people perceive quinoa as a grain which is used in continental cuisine, but you can very well use it in Indian cuisine. As you see, I am making quinoa pulao here. Few days ago I had a master class where I demonstrated the recipe of quinoa patties. People were very curious how to cook quinoa. So I may be doing a proper video on how to cook quinoa. You can make patties out of it, you can use it in salads, you can make risotto. Basically you can use it anywhere you use rice. Now we'll season these vegetables with salt. Use salt as per your taste. Red chilies, just a pinch of turmeric, about half a teaspoon of garam masala. The vegetables are well sauteed now. This is the time to add quinoa. This is how the quinoa grain looks. You can wash it or you can use it as it is. I am using a brand which sells organic quinoa, which is much preferable than normal quinoa. We will toast this quinoa with vegetables for about 3 to 4 minutes and then we'll add water to it. Usually people avoid grains because they think grains are unhealthy, or quinoa is one such grain even diabetics can have it because it's very high in proteins and fiber. Time to add water. The quantity of water is 2.5 times of your quinoa. Suppose you have added 1 bowl of quinoa, you are going to add 2.5 bowls of water. So we'll wait for quinoa to boil and then I'll cover the pan. Now water has started to boil. Just mix it once and we'll cover the pan. Lower the heat and we'll let it cook for about 12 minutes. Now 8 minutes have passed and water is still to be absorbed. Just stir it once and see if it requires more water. You can add more water. So I'll cover it and cook it on the slow again. It took it about 14 minutes, but now it looks ready to me. All I have to do is just small bit of water is left, which will be absorbed by the time we'll be finishing the recipe. So I am adding mint leaves. These are chopped mint leaves, chopped coriander and lemon. Why I am adding lemon all the time? Because lemon not only makes it tasty, but it improves the health quotient of the dish. There are certain micronutrients which are better absorbed in the presence of vitamin C, and lemon is a rich source of vitamin C, so it helps our body to absorb the nutrients in a better manner. So our quinoa pulao is ready. To serve it, take any dish and just take it out of the pan. I prefer to use dishes which have lids on them so we can cover it. The pulao keeps hot for long time. The quinoa pulao is ready.